Hey everyone, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. I am very excited today. I guess it's kind of an unboxing, but I guess it could be considered a haul also because it's not a subscription box, but it's still in a box. But anyway, so I just joined Thrive Market, and it's basically an online grocery store. They've even expanded to include like meats and like seafood that you can order, and they will send it in ice packs and it comes in the mail. And if you spend, I think it's over $85, you get free shipping. There is a cost to be a member, but bonus, if you're a teacher, you can get approved for a free membership. So I was like, what is there to lose? And I've been really trying my best. It has been my mission to start eating organic ever since Grayson was born. I am all about just trying to eat better and make better choices because I want to pass that on to him. So I got my first order. Let me show you how huge this box is. I don't know if you can see it. It's enormous. Like, it's huge. This is the first one I've gotten, so I wanted to save it to open with you guys and see what goodies I got. So give me a second. I'm going to open this puppy up. It's been sitting on my kitchen table for a couple days. I don't have anything in here that needs refrigerated. So I figured I would show you a little bit into my life, like what kind of foods we like to eat. So I mentioned in my other video that we're going on vacation to Disney in a couple weeks. So some of this is like snacky stuff that I figure we can have in the car. Because we're driving straight through from Ohio to Florida, but it'll be totally fine. So, alright, let's start. Okay, they say, with this order you saved money on amazing organic non-GMO foods and the items from brands you can trust. You enjoyed fast delivery, helped low-income families thrive too, which I really love. You can actually, they have some programs where you can give some money, you can donate money to families. So it has my order on the back, so I can make sure everything's in the box that's supposed to be. Okay, I can tell right now, I did order some chocolate, and look at this. It says, look inside, your groceries are chillin', and you can recycle this. This is so cool. So I do love me some chocolate. So this is actually like really nice. Oh gosh, yeah, look. It's like it's like totally insulated. And I think I just opened that wrong. This is so cool. Okay, so it's kind of warm now. Look. This is a water-based solution that you can just pour out into your sink. That is so awesome because that ensured that my chocolate stayed cold and wouldn't melt, which has been awesome. Ohio is confused and thinks it's Florida. It has been so hot. Like, I'm talking last week, it was like 97. The feel-like temperature was 105 to 115. Like, it was insane. Okay, so if you've never had this chocolate, oh my gosh, you need to try this. They have it at regular grocery stores. It's the quinoa crunch, and it is organic. You have to buy 2. Some of the items, if they're a little cheaper, they require you to buy a minimum of 2. That's why there's 2 here. These are so great when you have a craving. Like, I just pop off a square. It's crunchy, but instead of that normal like puffy rice cereal that like normal like Hershey's or Nestle uses, they actually use quinoa to give it that crunch. So these are delicious. Oh, there's a little healthy living starts here. This is cute. It says, welcome to Thrive Market. It has 10 reasons to shop Thrive. That's really cute. So it gives you some information in here about their company. And I'm gonna, in the information down below, there's a link that it's a referral code. If you use that, you'll get 25% off of your first purchase from Thrive. So definitely check that out. This is like packaged really nicely. I'm gonna try to like hold it up to you and show you. Like, I have a pretty large box here. Like, they have it sectioned off, and there are actually things that are wrapped. Sometimes they do promotionals where you can get freebies, and they had that. There were, if I shopped on a certain day, it was like last week sometime, they would throw in some freebies, 2 items. This is one of the free items. It's coconut flour tortilla chips, golden curry. So I'm excited to try those. So those were a freebie. I'll have to let you guys know how it is. These I got for Grayson. He really likes these. They're the Annie's Organic White Cheddar. They're called Bunny Tail Puffs. It's basically that like kernelless popcorn. And he loves those things. Okay, this, I don't remember ordering anything fragile. It's wrapped. Like, look how nice this is wrapped. This company, I'm loving it so far. This is, oh, I did. This is Grayson's organic applesauce. They even have it in like, in case it breaks, which why would it? They have it parked. They have it packed like super well, but in case it does break, they have it inside another bag so it doesn't leak all over your other food. So we got, I haven't tried Thrive's brand. Obviously, this is my first order, but just like any other grocery store, they have their own brand that they make things too. So this is Thrive's organic non-GMO applesauce. Just a fun tip, if something is organic, it has to be non-GMO. But if it's non-GMO, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's organic. And if you can, you always want organic, but non-GMO is a good alternative if organic is not available in the product that you want. Okay, oh, so I got a few things for my dog too. I'm sorry if my hair is like a mess. We just got home from the water park, so I'm a little bit messy. Okay, so I got these for my dog because they're, and if they don't sell, not all of their products are organic, but they try, if they're not organic, to go as natural as possible. I got these for my dog to try. They're breathless, brushless toothpaste chewables. And they're these little, they're kind of like greenies, but they're more natural. Because they don't, it just says ends brushing, helps reduce plaque and tartar, helps reduce bad breath. So this is for little Victor. We'll see if he likes these. And I also got him some organic cookies, and these are chicken flavor. And I actually got him 2 of these. I got one in chicken and one in peanut butter, but they were out of stock after I had placed my order. So they just emailed me and said that they were refunding me for the item, and the refund literally was deposited into my account like the next day. So that's another thing. If they're out of stock and you ordered it, they totally just take care of it and it's refunded. So that looks like everything that was in my first section. So I'm going to throw these back in here. The next section, okay, I love me some Rice Krispie treats. Like, these are my favorite snack ever. And I've never had Annie's organic Rice Krispie treats. I don't even think any of the stores around here sell them. If they did, I would have known. And I was so excited about these. I got 2 because there's only 5 in a pack, and these are great for a snack during the car ride to Florida. Grayson's like talking to me through the door, if you can hear that. These are for Grayson. I got him some little mini peanut butter sandwich crackers, non-GMO, organic again. So I've never tried this brand, Late July, so we'll have to give that a go. Some organic stuff is but this looked really good, so we'll try that out too. My husband loves toasters, like, what are they called? Not toaster strudels. Pop-Tarts. He loves Pop-Tarts, and they're so bad for you, but I found these organic ones, so I'm hoping he'll like these and try those instead. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, Thrive also has their own tea, and I am going to be trying a healthier lifestyle. Like, I've been trying for a long time, but I am like going to be venturing into Beachbody, and I think you're allowed to have tea. At least I hope so. But I got this organic sencha green tea, which I'm probably totally pronouncing that wrong, but sencha is supposed to be like the best of green tea straight from Japan. So I'm really excited to try this, and this is Thrive's brand. They were the cheapest, and it had the most tea bags. There's 20 in here. I think it was like $3.50 or something like that, which I thought was really good. Okay, and then we got cereal. It's just something quick that we can bag up for Grayson for snacks on the go, and I love to eat cereal even for a snack. I always get the organic kind. We get Nature's Path and Viro Kids organic cereal a lot. There's a couple other brands that we get too, like from Target or Kroger, but we got these Panda Puffs. They're peanut butter. And then I also got, which these we haven't had, the Corn Puffs. They're like Kicks, and those are in the same brand. And the last section is like a bunch of randomness. So we got Grayson, he loves banana. These are banana and pumpkin puffs. And these are organic by Organics Happy Baby. Anything for Grayson. If we can't get something organic for ourselves, I strive to find organic products for him. And I don't really like to give him so many like the artificial stuff like all of this is, because it's being shipped to you, so you don't want to do your full-blown shopping on Thrive. But I mean, when you're in a pinch and you're on the go, it's just nice to have something you can pull out when you're in the car or you're in line somewhere. It's just really nice to have these without whipping out some strawberries that make a mess. So my family, like Justin is my unhealthy, which I eat unhealthy too. I'm not throwing him under the bus, but we love our Cheez-Its in this house, and this is Simple Mills, another brand I've never tried. These are not organic, but they are non-GMO, and these are farmhouse cheddar, but they're made with almond flour. So they're like Cheez-Its, but we're gonna give them a try. I really hope this stuff is good. This is like my all-time favorite. This is just Nature's Way Original Sambucus, which I'm totally butchering that, I'm sure. It's the elderberry syrup, and this doesn't look like the organic kind. I thought I ordered the organic. Okay, that's probably my bad. I probably just didn't notice. That's probably why it was so much cheaper. This is amazing when your little ones are starting to get sick, or even when they are sick. It's a great replacement to your regular cough medicine or anything like that. And it has the consistency of cough syrup, but it's sweeter, and like Grayson loves it. He drinks it no problem. It does not taste like cough syrup. It tastes really sweet because it's sweetened with agave nectar, I think. You can drink this, like you have a tablespoon, I think, for adults and a teaspoon for kids. Yeah, I think so. 2 teaspoons for adults, 1 teaspoon for kids. For intensive use, you can up that. But since we're going on vacation, like the week leading up, I'm probably going to have all of us take it every day just to make sure we don't get sick. And then we'll take it while we're there just to keep us on our game. Seriously, elderberry is like a miracle working fruit. Like, read up on that. It is amazing. This is another really great snack for on the go. This is Annie's brand organic cheddar bunnies. And this is a 12-pack of individual packs, which is always nice instead of me wasting my own Ziploc baggies. I got, oh, this was the other freebie I got for making that order. It's organic mango, and it's, they're like dried mango. That looks delicious. And it says that it was actually grown in Africa. I'm excited to try this. That looks delicious. And it is fair trade, which is awesome. And it's organic, which means it's non-GMO. Started by the Peace Corps volunteer Mavuno Harvest. Partners with rural African farmers to bring you these amazing organic mangoes. Yeah, my husband loves mangoes, so he probably likes that. They also sell like beauty products, like toothpaste, makeup, and it's all natural. So I did get some things for our trip, and I haven't tried the Badger company yet, but I've heard great things about it. We're using Baby Organics right now, which is really great, but this is even more natural than that. So I got this Baby Badger Chamomile and Calendula. I don't know how to say it. It's a broad spectrum, SPF 30, it's water resistant, non-GMO, biodegradable. It's 98% organic ingredients with non-nano zinc oxide. So it's like way better for your kiddos than your everyday like stuff that you would buy at Target or Walmart. And then Badger also makes an anti-bug shake and spray, and this is made with essential oils, and it is safe for kids because not all essential oils are safe for application on children. So this is, it's 100% organic and natural, good for the skin, bad for the bug. That's what it says. So Badger sounds like a great brand. I'm really excited to try those out. And just in case we do get sunburnt, because, I mean, even though I grew up in Florida, obviously my skin is not used to the Florida sun anymore. They have a Badger After Sun Balm, and that is organic as well. Blue tansy and lavender. So I bet that smells really good. I was so excited to find out that they carried this, and I think my dog is losing it outside. Probably a squirrel. There is this brand called Dr. Bronner's. You can buy some of their stuff at Target, but it's usually like the travel size. But this is the soap we use for Grayson. He has a super sensitive skin like I do. He gets it from me. This is all-one hemp baby unscented pure castile bar soap. And it's fair trade, which I really love. And it's just so natural, like everything in it. It's organic coconut oil, organic palm oil, water, organic olive oil, organic hemp oil, organic jojoba oil, sea salt, citric acid, sodium hydroxide, and tocopherol, which there are some preservatives in there obviously, but it's probably one of the most natural kinds you can find, and it's great for babies. And the other Dr. Bronner's, I haven't tried this yet, but this is his organic toothpaste, and it's fluoride free. Fluoride is so bad for you. So this is, it's not completely 100% organic, 70% organic though. Helps freshen breath, whiten teeth, and reduce plaque. And like I said, it's fluoride free. And my husband hates all the different toothpastes I've been trying, so I'm hoping this is a little better. It is sweetened, I think, with xylitol. So absolutely make sure you're keeping it away from your dogs. But this is supposed to be like a really great toothpaste, and I love that it's fluoride free. So I'm hoping, oh yeah, I think he'll like this.